Hi everyone, I'm Allie.
And I'm Bridget.
And we are doing a product spotlight for you today on one of the newer beads, the MobyDuo. MobyDuo. So, Bridget, how did the MobyDuo get its name?
Well, if you look at it,
pour out your favorite color.
Like, I mean, my first thought just by hearing it would be like, oh, Moby Dick, does it look like a whale?
Does it look like a whale?
And I wanted to pull out a needle to show you all kind of what it looks like when it's kind of, I guess, on its back.
Moby was shorter than dolphin.
Yeah, right. Because we've had a few, like it's like the back of the whale, like it's like as it's like surfacing
arching
and going back down.
Yeah. And it kind of looks like a whale on its side too.
Yeah.
Kind of gazing
Just kind
there.
of.
Yeah, so they are Czech beads, and they have a bunch of the different coatings on them. Size-wise, we are looking at
3 by 8.
3 by 8 millimeter.
Yep.
So the bead that we said that they're closest to would be kind of the crescent.
The crescent, probably.
Yeah, it's the crescent versus like the iris duo. It's a little bit iris duo-ish from the top, but it's so thin because it has the flat back bottom. So it has the flat bottom like an iris duo would, but that curved edge makes it kind of seem like a crescent because of where the holes are. So it doesn't actually even sit up until you have it on its needle.
Yeah.
And we played around with them in a design live, Anna and I put them here just to show you kind of the shape that you see. It's definitely, you're gonna see that profile. I don't see them being used a lot so that you see the holes, but you never know. Somebody's gonna do them fun where you see like kind of that flat, but it's so narrow that you're really not going to see that much of that narrowness with it. So I think
even when they're put together, it doesn't make like a complete circle. So it's kind of, I think really the main way we will see it is just kind of on that side.
And we'll play with them a little bit. I think they actually would look good with new ginkgo beads too. And try out some different patterns that use the crescent that we'll use the Mobies for. I like that they also started out with your regular kind of Czech colors, but then they went right into the etch. So usually when we get beads, we get them in the regular
like the normal
pastels and the baby blues and the lusters. But this one they also started out with the slipperets. And I don't know what it is, but I'm starting to like that raccoon look more of the slipper. We got the cup button in it, and now I'm like, oh, maybe I do like that weird kind of burnt.
It kind of gives it a little
fake popcorn cheese.
A little extra kind of fun, I feel like, to it.
Well, and this, I'm going to steal another needle here as I reach across Bridget. Because when you have the etched ones, sometimes, if I'm not mistaken, let's see if I'm right, sometimes you'll see the shimmer and sometimes you'll see the edge because the etching process is not going to cover.
It's not uniform,
I can't even get them on my needle here. But yeah, it's not going to be uniform. So because of that etched, you're going to see different tones and different colors along the top.
Oh yeah, yep.
So it's kind of fun because here you see more of that green, there you see more of a gray, and as you string them, you'll see more of the different kind of shimmers and shines as you go. So the MobyDuo, we'll be doing some more tutorials with them. We will get inspiration out to you. Like I said, try out some beads that you did crescents. Do like we did earlier in the design live, just string them, have fun, and see what you get, and really use them to kind of highlight and have them on that outer edge.
Yeah.
If you need to get any of the MobyDuos, below us here in the little description is going to be a link to purchase them from us online at PotomacBeads.com as well as PotomacBeads.eu. You can get all our great products from there. Remember to hit that little bell. What does the bell do?
It subscribes you.
Ding, ding, ding.
And so you'll be alerted with any new videos, just any of the new content we have.
Product spotlights, better beaters. You want to get all of that stuff. So definitely subscribe. And then also if you want to give us a little like, let us know how you're going to be using the MobyDuos, what colors you anticipate getting, and participate in the conversation below.
Yep.
So as an introduction to MobyDuos, here you are. Have fun purchasing and let us know what you're going to do with them as well. Thanks so much.
Bye.